Are you ready to make some super tasty, delicious, juicy air fryer lemongrass chicken? This is one of my favorite recipes as it's packed with flavor. Let's get started. Rinse and remove the excess water from 800 grams of skinless and boneless chicken thigh meat. You can also use chicken breast meat for this recipe, but I find that using the chicken thigh meat is more tender and juicy. Mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. We will only be using the white part of the lemongrass, so remove the two ends and then smash it to release the flavor. To release as much flavor as we can from the lemongrass, you must bruise the stalks really well. Cut the lemon stalk into pieces that can be easily removed later. Add the lemongrass and minced garlic to the chicken, then add 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix everything together well and marinate for a minimum of 1 hour. To maximize the flavor, I prefer to marinate the chicken overnight. Brush the tray with some oil, then add your chicken. Remember to remove the lemongrass. Then spritz some oil onto the chicken. Cook the chicken in your air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Okay, so let's see how this air fryer lemongrass chicken turned out. Wow, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Again, what's great about doing this in the air fryer instead of pan frying is that all the oil sits at the bottom onto the basket, under the tray. Super healthy and not frying it on a pan. So great option to make lemongrass chicken this way. If you like your chicken on the crispier side, flip the chicken and continue to cook for an additional 5 minutes. In my air fryer, the 15 minutes is perfect as the chicken always comes out juicy and tasty. However, every air fryer is different, so make sure that you check your settings and ensure that your chicken is cooked. There are several ways I like to enjoy this dish. I sometimes eat the chicken wrapped in lettuce, I sometimes eat it with rice, and I sometimes eat it with rice noodle. I've also had this wrapped in rice paper and it was super tasty.